Our problem statement is that food waste is a huge issue in Singapore. In Singapore, 62 kg of food is lost per person each year. When food is wasted, more food has to be sourced to meet the food demand, and this affects our food security since Singapore imports over 90% of our food supply. The Sustainable Development Goals chosen for our invention are Zero Hunger, Sustainable Cities and Communities, and Responsible Consumption and Production.
A Biomax thermophilic digester has been invented before in 2017 to recycle food waste such as vegetable, poultry, bones, eggshell, tissue paper, and fruit peel from 9 in-house restaurants and kitchens. Our idea is different in how we will implement it, by proposing a way to encourage people to use the machine and also at the same time return their trays. As many people would not want to trouble themselves by sorting out the food, the $1 incentive is applied to encourage them to sort their food well. Additionally, we're also planning to research other plausible and more efficient ways to convert food waste into fertilizer.
This is our proposed solution. It is a machine that turns biodegradable waste into fertilizer, which can be then used to grow plants. But how does it work? Well, firstly, a filter is present in case cutlery or other objects that cannot be broken down are accidentally dropped into the machine. Next, after passing through the filter, the food will be passed through a shredder, where the food can be cut into smaller pieces for easier decomposing. Excess food would be brought out through a pipe on the left side to fill a bucket. When there is food in the bucket, an alarm would ring to tell the appropriate personnel to clear out some of the food by moving some food in the bucket to other machines elsewhere. The end result compost will be collected daily by volunteers through a door at the side of the machine.
Food waste disposed is mixed with bacteria. Bacteria such as B. subtilis and P. fluorescens will decompose food waste. Bacteria such as B. subtilis and P. fluorescens have been proven to decompose food waste successfully. Water and the bacteria will be stored in separate compartments at the right side. When they return their tray, dump food waste correctly into the machine and do not throw unwanted items in the machine. They may insert the ticket in the machine and $1 will be dispensed to return them their money. This is to prevent people from taking advantage of the machine and taking money by just putting food waste into the machine and returning trays around left by other customers.
To ensure customers actually throw food waste into the machine and not other objects, a security camera will check if the customer threw unwanted objects into the machine, if they returned their tray, and inserted the ticket. Should the security camera spot the customer misusing the machine, the $1 coin will not be dispensed for that customer.
Food waste still contains nutrients useful for plant growth, for example nitrates, phosphates, and amino acids. To get these nutrients, bacteria can be used to digest and break down waste. They release digestive enzymes, breaking down biomass into constituent nutrients.
The advantages of our invention is that it allows patrons to develop habits of avoiding food wastage. It also allows the fertilizer to be used to develop Singapore as a garden city. Additionally, it helps to build an economically sustainable Singapore. The materials we will be using to build our invention are metal and wood. This is to ensure that our invention is more environmentally friendly, easy to be cleaned, easy to be reused, and portable.
Since most of the machine is made of light types of metal such as aluminium, it does not harm the environment, is durable, and can last long periods of usage. These materials can also be easily sourced, which can reduce the cost of making the machine. Lastly, the machine also does not take up too much space.
Further improvements include placing the tray return machine next to the compost machine, providing convenience to those who want to return tray and reduce food waste. Thus, people will be inclined to help us reduce food waste.